Hey everybody, this video is going to be a really quick introduction to the SSH170 microquad that I finished building recently. I'll be going over some of the specs of the quad, and I'll also give you some background information about some of the basic parts. So to start off with, the frame of this quad is the Polakium Engineering SSH170. The name SSH170 comes from super simple H-quad with a 170mm motor-to-motor distance. The frame is cast from a polyurethane resin and is embedded with fiberglass. It also comes in a variety of colors, and for my build, I chose white. Moving on to the motors, these are the DYS 1306 3100 kV motors that are threaded in both the clockwise and counterclockwise directions. And the propellers that I'm using with them are fairly inexpensive 4-inch 4045 props from Hobby King. The ESCs are housed together in a 4-in-1 unit and are each rated for 12 amps, and the flight controller is a NACE 32 Acro, which is a fairly standard and inexpensive flight controller. The receiver I'm using is a FreeSky D4R2 that is currently sitting in between the 4-in-1 ESC and the NACE 32. And lastly, the battery is a Nanotech 3-cell 450 mAh LiPo. So just a couple closing notes. This quad is extremely light, and that's in huge part thanks to the lightweight frame it's built on. The thrust to weight ratio ends up landing somewhere in the range of 8:1, which is extremely overpowered, and that's exactly what I was going for. I know there are a lot of talented pilots out there who could take advantage of such a high thrust to weight ratio and do some pretty amazing things. So if you have any questions about this build, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me via my website. Also be sure to check out the other video I just made, which takes you through a build log of this quad with a couple hundred pictures I took during the build process. Alright, thanks for watching.